Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered if tackling that DIY EV battery repair is a good idea? Because let me tell you, some DIY projects are, well, let's just say they can go spectacularly wrong. Today, we're diving headfirst into the 7 deadliest mistakes you can make when attempting to repair your electric vehicle's battery, and how to avoid them. Now, I want to be upfront. While I've done extensive research for this video, I haven't found any specific recent studies or reports directly addressing these 7 mistakes. This is based on general knowledge and common sense related to battery technology and DIY repairs. So, let's get started. First up, we've got the ignorance is bliss approach. This is where you dive in without proper knowledge of your specific battery chemistry, its voltage, amperage, and the myriad of safety precautions involved. Think of it like this. You wouldn't attempt brain surgery with just a YouTube tutorial, would you? EV batteries are incredibly complex systems, packed with high-voltage components that can seriously injure or even kill you if mishandled. Before even touching the cell, you need a deep understanding of your battery's specific make, model, and safety protocols. Consult the manufacturer's documentation, find reputable online resources, and perhaps even consider a specialized course. Knowledge is your armor in this battle. Number 2. Improper handling of high voltage. These batteries are your garden variety 9-volt. We're talking potentially hundreds, even thousands of volts. A single spark in the wrong place can lead to a catastrophic failure, potentially causing a fire, explosions, the works. You absolutely must use appropriate insulated tools, safety gear, think gloves, eye protection, and possibly even a full hazmat suit depending on the situation. And never, ever work on a live battery. Always disconnect the battery completely and ensure it's properly discharged before you even think about touching it. Mistake number 3 involves neglecting proper ventilation. EV battery packs can release dangerous gases during repair, especially during charging or discharging processes. These gases can be toxic and highly flammable, and working in a poorly ventilated area is a recipe for disaster. Always work in a well-ventilated space, preferably outdoors or in a garage with excellent exhaust ventilation. Next, we're tackling the cheap parts trap. Using inferior replacement parts is like building a house with substandard materials. It might seem cheaper upfront, but it'll cost you dearly in the long run, both in terms of performance and safety. Always use high-quality, manufacturer-approved, or at least rigorously tested replacement components. Cutting corners here is a surefire way to compromise the integrity of your battery pack and potentially create further problems. Number 5. Ignoring proper diagnostic procedures. Before you even start tinkering, you need a proper diagnosis of the problem. Simply replacing parts at random is like playing a game of pin the tail on the donkey, blindfolded. Use specialized diagnostic equipment to pinpoint the exact issue before you start replacing parts. This is crucial to avoid wasting time and money on unnecessary replacements. While recent specific information on diagnostic tools is limited, the general consensus is that investing in the right tools is essential for any serious EV battery repair attempt. Mistake number 6. Improper cell balancing. The individual cells within an EV battery pack need to be balanced to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Failure to balance these cells can lead to premature cell degradation, uneven charging, and even catastrophic failure. This requires specialized equipment and knowledge. Again, there's limited recent data available on this specifically, but it is widely accepted as a critical step in the process. Don't underestimate the importance of this step. Finally, the 7th deadly sin, underestimating the complexity of the BMS battery management system. The BMS is the brain of your EV battery pack, regulating charging, discharging, and cell balancing. Tampering with it without the proper knowledge can lead to irreversible damage to your battery pack and potentially render it unusable. This is a highly specialized area, and unless you have extensive experience with electronics and battery management systems, it's best to leave it to the professionals. So, there you have it, the 7 deadliest mistakes you can make when attempting to repair your EV battery. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. If you're not comfortable with the level of expertise required, it's always best to seek professional help. Now, if you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a Patreon link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. Ultimately, remember that your safety and the safety of your vehicle are paramount. Before you even consider a DIY EV battery repair, weigh the risks carefully. Is the potential reward worth the potential danger? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep tinkering responsibly.